The Baseball Hall of Fame. Guerrero's career spanned from 1996 to 2011. He played in 2,147 big league games, had 2,590 hits, a .318 career batting average with 449 home runs. He was the American League MVP in 2004, a 9-time All-Star. Guerrero played 16 seasons, 8 with Montreal, 6 with the Angels, and 1 with Texas and 1 with the Orioles. Adam Jones remembers Vladimir Guerrero's 1 season in Baltimore.
It was good playing with him in 2011. I missed his mom's cooking. He brought in big bags every day of food. He played the game hard. He was ultimate veteran, commanded respect, and got respect. Just a prime example of what to do on the base between the lines. Came to work every day.
Un ejemplo para toda la juventud. Él es muy querido y en el país la gente lo quiere mucho a él por su forma de ser, por su humildad y como él es con cada persona.
It's definitely an example for everybody, for all the youth back home in the Dominican Republic. It's someone I look up to. He's very, some people look up for him because of his humility. So he's one of the guys that everybody looks up for.